All right, boys and girls, do you know what time it is? It's time for the Math Badger Blip. Do you know what we're going to be learning about? Can you guess it from our anchor chart? You got it. Today we're going to be learning about area. Ooh, pay attention to this visual. Right around the edge, going around the outside, we have perimeter. Going around the outside, perimeter. And right on the inside, covering it, area. So that's something really good to pay attention to. We're going to be learning about area. What is area, you ask? Great question. I love your math enthusiasm. So let's look at our 4th grade reference sheet. Zoom in here. Down here at the bottom, we have a formula. What is a formula? Good question again. A formula is like a sentence. It tells you what you're going to be doing with your math. So, I don't know what this means, but I do know that you told me I'm learning about area. So what do you think the A represents? Area, you're right. And I know that equal means the same as or equal to. So area is equal to L and W. What do you think the L and W might represent? I heard someone say it. Length and width. Excellent. Length and width. So when we're talking about area, we're going to be talking about the length and the width. Length and width also have synonyms. Okay, in reading we learn about synonyms. They're words that mean the same thing. So what else can mean the same as length and width? Dealing with area, you ask? You got it. I heard it. Base and height. Awesome. You're going to do great in today's lesson. I just know it. But when I think of area, there's something else that goes along with it. Sometimes I think of perimeter. Perimeter, you're not going to learn about it today, but you do need to know the difference between perimeter and area because they go together. Just looking at this, perimeter goes around, and then area is the cover. All right, you have a great grasp on this already, so I can't wait to get started. I know you're going to do awesome in today's lesson. All right, so I was talking about a formula, it said A equals B times H or LW. It said LW. You need to know that when an L and a W are next to each other, they want you to automatically assume, just because you're 9 and 10 years old, you should know everything, length times width. Even though the letters are smushed together and they don't have that X in between to show you multiply, the letters right next to each other implies I need to multiply these. So you're going to have to just remember that A equals LW is length times width, or base times height. Okay? I can't wait to get started. We're going to have an awesome lesson today.